Paris. The very name is enough to set your imagination alight. It conjures up images of grand boulevards, sparkling city lights, and romantic dinners under the stars. For many, Paris seems like a playground for the wealthy, a city reserved for those with deep pockets and endless budgets. But that's simply not true. Hey friends, it's Explore with Meg, your travel guide. The magic of Paris is accessible to everyone, even if you're traveling on a shoestring. The real Paris isn't found in five-star hotels or Michelin-starred restaurants. It's in the cozy corners, the laughter shared over street food, and the simple joys of daily life along the Seine. It's in the quiet cobblestone streets of Montmartre, the bustling outdoor markets where locals shop for fresh produce, and the hidden bakeries where the scent of warm baguettes fills the air. With a bit of smart planning and a willingness to explore, you can experience 5 unforgettable days in Paris for just $500. This isn't about missing out or cutting corners, it's about traveling smarter, making the most of every euro, and discovering the city's true heart. You'll uncover local secrets, savor delicious food from street vendors, and marvel at world-famous sights, all without breaking the bank. I'll guide you through where to stay, what to eat, and how to get around efficiently, so you can focus on making memories, instead of worrying about your wallet. These are real, actionable strategies I've learned from years of budget travel, tips that actually work, no matter your experience level. You don't need to be a seasoned traveler to enjoy Paris on a budget. All you need is a sense of adventure and an open mind. Let's challenge the idea that a memorable trip requires a lot of money. In fact, some of the best moments come from simple pleasures. A flaky croissant, a shared laugh, or a sunset over the city. The most meaningful travel experiences come from connecting deeply with a place and its people, not from spending more. Paris rewards those who are curious and clever, who seek out the hidden gems and embrace the unexpected. So, are you ready to explore Paris with me? Together, we'll uncover the city's secrets and prove that adventure doesn't have to be expensive. Let's show the world that a rich experience in Paris doesn't require a rich bank account, just a little creativity and a lot of enthusiasm. Paris is waiting for you. Let's go make unforgettable memories, without breaking the bank. For years I dreamed of Paris, imagining myself strolling along the Seine, watching the city's lights shimmer on the water, and feeling the energy of people from all over the world passing by. I pictured getting lost in the endless halls of the Louvre, standing in awe, before masterpieces I'd only seen in books, and letting my curiosity guide me from one gallery to the next. I longed to sit at a tiny cafe table, sipping rich coffee, watching Parisians go about their day, and soaking in the city's unique rhythm. But like so many others, I saw money as a huge barrier. The idea of affording Paris felt impossible. My budget was always tight, and Paris seemed like a distant dream, something for people with deeper pockets. Friends would come back from their trips, sharing stories and photos, having spent thousands. I wondered, was there another way? I didn't just want to see Paris. I wanted to experience it fully, its art, its food, its vibrant street culture, without spending a fortune. So I dove into research, reading travel blogs, watching videos, and reaching out to budget travelers who had made it work. I discovered that some of the most authentic experiences, like listening to street musicians or tasting fresh bread at a local market, often cost the least. A simple picnic in a park with a baguette and cheese can feel more magical than any fancy restaurant. Wandering through historic neighborhoods like Montmartre or Le Marais, getting lost in their winding streets, became my favorite way to explore. I realized that these moments, often free or inexpensive, were far more memorable than any pricey guided tour. Having a limited budget pushed me to be creative, to connect with locals, and to truly immerse myself in Parisian life. My first budget trip to Paris was a revelation. I managed to see and do so much all on a shoestring, and it felt incredibly rewarding. That trip taught me something important. Your mindset, not your budget, is what truly defines your adventure. It's about curiosity, openness, and a willingness to try new things. I want to share that lesson with you so you can create your own Parisian adventure no matter your budget or background. Paris is possible for everyone. With the right approach, you can make it real, just like I did. Let's start your journey together. The secret to a budget Paris trip? Planning. Your $500 budget breaks down to $100 per day for accommodation, food, transport, and activities. Start with a simple budget outline, about $40 per night for accommodation, leaving $60 for everything else. Research hostels, public transport passes, and free things to do. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Treat your budget as a fun challenge, not a restriction. Shop at local markets, use public transport, and discover hidden gems. Planning connects you to the city on a deeper level. Don't schedule every minute, just create a framework. Include accommodation, a general meal plan, and a list of must-see sites. Leave room for spontaneity. The best moments often happen off the beaten path. A solid plan gives you financial freedom to explore. Embrace the adventure of making your money go further. Paris is yours to discover, one smart step at a time. Let's get started. Accommodation is your biggest expense, so choose wisely. Skip fancy hotels. Hostels are your best friend. For $30–40 a night you get a bed, secure lockers, and a kitchen. Hostels are social hubs. Meet travelers, join free tours, and get insider tips. Look for hostels in Montmartre, the Latin Quarter, or near Gare du Nord for a local vibe. Prefer privacy? Try a private room on Airbnb or a budget hotel near a metro station. Book early. Prices rise fast, especially in peak season. Read reviews for cleanliness, security, and location. Your affordable room is your home base for adventure. With accommodation sorted for around $200 for 5 nights, you're set. Paris is accessible, no luxury required. Rest well and get ready to explore. Your Parisian home awaits. Let's move in. Parisian food is legendary, famous for its rich flavors, beautiful presentation, and the way it brings people together. But you might be surprised to learn that you don't need a fortune to eat well in this city. In fact, some of the best meals in Paris are also the most affordable. You just need to know where to look and how to eat like a local. Start your day at a neighborhood boulangerie, where you can pick up a fresh crusty baguette, still warm from the oven. Or try a slice of quiche, a buttery croissant, or a pain au chocolat for just a few euros. These simple pleasures are a Parisian staple. Next, head to one of Paris's vibrant outdoor markets, like Marché d'Aligre. Here, you'll find stalls overflowing with fresh fruit, artisan cheeses, and rustic breads. Gather your finds and enjoy a picnic in one of the city's beautiful parks. There's nothing more Parisian than relaxing on the grass with a simple meal and a view of the city. For lunch, grab a classic jambon beurre sandwich, ham and butter on a fresh baguette. It's quick, delicious, and costs just a few euros. Or try a savory tart, like quiche Lorraine or a vegetable tart, which are filling and easy to find at bakeries and cafes. When it's time for dinner, avoid the crowded tourist traps that charge high prices for mediocre food. Instead, seek out cozy neighborhood bistros with chalkboard menus. Many offer a prix-fixe menu. 3 delicious courses for just $15 to $20, letting you sample classic French cuisine without breaking the bank. Don't miss the city's street food scene. Try the famous falafel in the Marais, where lines out the door mean you're in the right place. Or grab a sweet or savory crepe from a street vendor, perfect for a snack any time of day, and always affordable. If you're staying in a hostel, take advantage of the kitchen. Cooking your own meals is a great way to save money and experiment with local ingredients. Pick up pasta, fresh veggies, and maybe a little cheese at a supermarket. You can whip up a tasty dinner for just a few euros. Making your own breakfast and the occasional dinner means you'll have more money left over for special treats, like a pastry or a café au lait. Don't forget to carry a reusable water bottle with you as you explore the city. Paris is full of public fountains, so you can refill your bottle for free and stay hydrated all day long. Eating well in Paris is all about creativity, curiosity, and a willingness to try new things, not about spending lots of cash. Savor every bite, enjoy the atmosphere, and make every meal an experience. With a little planning, your budget will stretch further than you think, letting you enjoy more of what Paris has to offer. Parisian cuisine is for everyone: locals, travelers, families, and friends. No matter your budget, you can join in the city's love of food. Bon appétit! Let's eat, and make every meal in Paris a memory to savor. Paris is easy to navigate with its excellent public transport. The metro is fast, efficient, and affordable. Buy a carnet of tickets or a weekly Navigo Découverte pass for unlimited rides. The pass covers metro, RER, and buses, huge savings if you travel often. Walking is the best way to see Paris. Plan your days by neighborhood to minimize travel. Wander, explore, and discover hidden gems on foot. Try the Velib bike sharing system for a fun, cheap way to cover more ground. The first 30 minutes of each ride are free, perfect for short trips. Biking along the Seine is a classic Parisian experience. Mix walking, biking, and metro for the ultimate budget adventure. Getting around Paris is simple and affordable. Paris's world-class museums don't have to break the bank. Many national museums are free on the first Sunday of each month. Plan your trip around these dates for big savings. The Louvre is free on the first Friday evening of the month. Arrive early or late to avoid crowds. Many city-owned museums, like the Petit Palais and Musée Carnavalet, are always free. Explore Victor Hugo's home or the history of Paris for nothing. Don't forget, Paris itself is an open-air museum. Admire Notre Dame, stroll the Tuileries or visit beautiful churches for free. The city's best sights are often outside, waiting to be discovered. Enjoy Paris's culture without spending €1. If free museum days don't fit your schedule, the Paris Museum Pass is a great value. It covers entry to over 50 top attractions, including the Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and Versailles. Buy a 2, 4, or 6-day pass. 4 days is perfect for a 5-day trip. Skip long ticket lines and maximize your time. To get your money's worth, plan to visit at least 2 museums or monuments per day. Compare individual ticket prices to the pass cost before buying. Buy online or at museums, and check if you need to reserve time slots. With the Museum Pass, you hold the key to Parisian culture. How does it all come together? Imagine a day in Paris. Start with a hostel breakfast, then hop on the metro to Ile de la Cité, admire Notre Dame, skip the line at Sainte-Chapelle with your museum pass, grab a crêpe for lunch, then lose yourself in the Louvre's masterpieces. Stroll through the Tuileries garden, then enjoy a prix-fixe dinner in the Latin Quarter. Another day, explore Montmartre, visit Sacré-Cœur for free, picnic with a city view. Take an affordable Seine cruise at night for a magical perspective. Mix paid attractions with free wandering, walk, explore, and soak up the city's spirit. The true Paris is found in its neighborhoods, parks, and people. By traveling smart, you gain a more authentic personal experience. You'll leave with memories and the confidence to travel anywhere on a budget. Paris is yours to discover. You can do it. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more travel tips. See you on my next video.